So children, this first one in the depth is dietary deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet. If you don't have proper nutrients in the diet, then you are suffering from dietary diseases. So dietary deficiency diseases will vary depending upon which nutrient you are lacking in your diet. Suppose if you are lacking protein, so it will be protein deficiency diseases. If you are lacking vitamins, so it will be vitamin deficiency diseases, mineral deficiency diseases, fiber deficiency diseases. But the main which you have to study is protein and vitamin. So protein energy deficiency diseases, and in this we have kwashiorkor and marasmus. So the list or the pictures you can see here. Kwashiorkor happens, or the ones who are suffering from kwashiorkor are children below the age of 1 year. So from 0 to 12 months, if any children is suffering, so that will be kwashiorkor if it is a protein deficiency disease. Then deficient nutrient is protein. What are the symptoms you will witness or you will see in that child? The child will suffer or will show the symptoms of slow and stunted growth. Stunted growth means reduced growth. जितनी होनी चाहिए उतनी ग्रोथ नहीं होती है. सो दैट इज स्टंटेड ग्रोथ. देन ड्राई एंड स्केली स्किन. ड्राई स्किन एंड स्केली मीन्स इट समथिंग ऑफ थॉर्नी टाइप स्किन. Swelling of body, there will be all throughout swelling in the body. Protruded belly, like you can see in the picture, the tummy or the belly will be protruded means coming out. Mental retardation, they will be retarded in their brain power or brain capacity. Retarded means it will be slow. Their brain capacity or brain working speed will be very, very slow. Limbs become thin and bony, like you can see here in this child. The limbs, his hands, they are lacking in muscles. They are very, very much bony. So this all will come under kwashiorkor's symptoms. The next one is marasmus. So marasmus, the children or the age limit is children below the age of 5 years. Below 1 year you will call it as kwashiorkor, and from 1 to 5 you can call it as marasmus. So marasmus, it can happen from 0 to 5 as well. So it will depend upon the symptoms what we will witness. This marasmus happens when the nutrients which are deficient includes protein, carbohydrate and fat. And the symptoms are lean and weak body. Lean means it means slim or very thin body, slim or thin, and weak body. Then dry thin skin. Skin is also very thin, transparent, that means very thin and slim types. Sunken eyes. Sunken eyes means choti eyes. Then prominent ribs. Prominent ribs means in this picture you can see this part of the child. The rib cage, the cage which is supporting or which is covering our lungs and all, that ribs will be visible. That will be protruding to certain extent. Prominent ribs and mental retardation. The person will suffer from, or the child will suffer from mental retardation.